guys, welcome back to my channel. Hopefully the dogs will keep quiet in this video. We just gave them some dental sticks. If you hear them chewing on that in the background, that's what's going on. My husband, Sean, you guys have seen him in some of these videos. It's another Datebox unboxing. So that's what we're gonna do. We have not looked in it this month. We have no idea. Package is sealed. So I have a $10 referral code to get $10 off your first box. The regular $39.99, so the discount brings it down to $29.99 for your first box. I'll leave that down below. This is basically just a subscription box that delivers date supplies to your house. Yeah. We've done some other ones. I think I have a playlist. If I don't, you can just search it on my channel, and I have a bunch of Datebox unboxings. So let's open it up.
Without further ado.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Finger.
Slice my hand off.
That's not gonna cut the couch.
I'm a professional. Okay. It's time for your date.
It always says it's time for your date on all the boxes, so it's super cute. Oh, you're scared, Ladybug.
She's fine.
Come here, lady. It's okay.
All right.
Show them that, what it looks like when you first open it.
So you open it up, and then it's like, got this card on the inside. It says, what's included?
And I don't think they used to include all these, but they've started telling you exactly what is in there. So,
what's included? Custom
game with suspect cards, evidence cards, and roll cards. Just up your alley. Yeah. He works in law enforcement, for those of you that don't know. Don't catch the joke. Black tea and tea cakes. Ooh. And love notes. 2 tea canisters. Oh. Paper cutouts at the end of the booklet.
Oh, cool.
So, come here, Ladybug. You want to come here? I'll watch you.
It's got another.
Oh, look at the back. It looks like an evidence.
Oh yeah, like a little
like
manila.
Yeah, that's what it looks like. Like you would think, like the detectives would use.
That's neat. So obviously, I guess this one's more geared toward Valentine's Day, because it's all like.
Oh, that makes sense.
Hello, loves.
No, but this is the January box. But maybe they're sending it a month ahead.
Maybe. I don't know.
We'll see next month. Maybe next month will be more.
I just guess because it's like.
Well, the red.
All red.
Yeah.
Anyways, and know your love even better.
Yeah.
So, anyways, like always, it comes with a Spotify playlist for you to turn on while you. Things
they're surprisingly good. Like the last one we listened to was like songs I hadn't heard before, but like they were really good songs.
Yeah.
So.
And then it says, "Presume nothing, a twist on whodunit." Ooh, yeah, right up my alley. Presume nothing transforms you into Sherlock Holmes style sleuths. Sleuths. Find the murderer or meet a grisly end.
Nutter.
She's so aggressive.
No nutter.
And then it has conversation starters. Like, would you want to go back in time to the Victorian era? Why or why not?
Those are interesting.
So, in case you guys haven't known each other for 3 years like us.
4 years.
4 years like us. It comes with conversation starters. That way you can break the ice on your date. Yeah. If you guys don't know each other
and they're even still fun even if you have been together for a while because you can still learn a lot about each other. True. But they're especially helpful if you're not super comfortable with your date. Alright, so let's start opening the box up. Now that we've read all that. So we've got bubble wrap. Everything's always packaged really nicely in there. So here's kind of what it looks like without scaring my dogs too much. So the tea canisters, which those are nice. Aw. It's got like a William Shakespeare quote on the front. It says, "Love asks me no questions and gives me endless support."
Ooh.
What is this? What is this? I assume this is tea, but wait, no, it's chocolate.
Looks like chocolate. I was gonna say
it's chocolate. Okay. Well, it was at tea canisters, And the, it's like soft on the top. Why is it?
Comes with like 4 of these chocolates.
Huh.
Cool.
Interesting. I was expecting it to be tea. That's why I was like really confused. I was like, I'm not a big tea drinker, but I was like, and the lid has like a airtight look. Oh, sorry. I just another right in the face.
She's fine.
But it's got like a they're made to be like reusable, like to keep, which is nice. I feel like the past 2 boxes we've gotten have been good about giving us like Nutter. You can't do that while we're filming, baby. Like things like you can keep afterwards. Oh, so this one has tea. Tater, no. See, they've eaten their dental chewies and the chaos is beginning. So this one has the tea in it. So
yeah, it says
2 little tea bags.
PG Tips has been the go-to tea for most Brits since 1869.
Is that what this is?
I'm guessing that's the brand. Enjoy a nice cuppa with some tea cakes. Oh, that smells really good.
Those are probably tea cakes.
These cakes also originated in the 1800s.
Those are probably tea cakes.
Cheers to tea and treats.
So those are probably tea cakes, right?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. I was real thrown off. Okay, and this is, oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So this is the game. It's like packaged up really nice. So, a killer's on the loose and could be closer than you think.
Oh no.
Clear all of the suspects to find the killer, but watch out, they're also on the hunt for you.
This is exciting.
Yeah.
I love games. So, with those tea canisters, there's these little things in the back that we write love notes on. And we put them in those tea canisters. And then take out a note each morning to start your day off.
Oh.
And just as a little sweet reminder of our love for each other. That's a cute idea.
Yeah. That's cute. So the game, it says that presume nothing. It's for 2 players and that each player receives a role known only to them.
Oh.
And that their role determines their available moves and path to victory. It's about a 10 to 20 minute game.
Sounds awesome.
And this is like a box. Like this is something that like you could put in your game closet. And which I don't know. I don't know if it's one of those games that once you play it once, you already know how it's going to go in it. You might not be able to play it again. But at the very least, you could put in your game closet if you can play it again, or you could pass it on.
Yeah.
To like another couple to play. So, that's super nice. And that's everything that's in the box. It's okay, Leia. I'm just putting it back in there. It's okay. So, hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll leave the link to $10 off down below. Something else I normally say that I'm not saying? I feel like I'm forgetting something. This was a really quick video.
Stay tuned. Next month we'll have another unboxing video.
Yeah. There wasn't a lot of little pieces. Everything in this box was like, there was like 3 big pieces, which is maybe why we went quicker in this video. So I think that's everything, y'all. I hope y'all have a blessed day, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.